This is the Bestiti Lengthening and Waterproof Mascara. And look what a beautifully designed box it is. And look at how beautifully designed this mascara is too. And this is waterproof and for long-lasting use. And this is what the bristles look like, as you can see right here. And now let's try it out. So let's do it right now. Oh, I like it. And this is supposed to last all day, and it is waterproof, and you could take it off with your favorite mascara remover. Wow, I like it. Now let me do the other side. And isn't this a beautiful bottle? I think this is the most beautiful mascara tube I've ever had in my whole entire life. And you just get it from the root to the tip. And of course, you can do multiple as long as it doesn't dry. Then you won't get those clumpy spider lashes, right? Oh, I like it. So this is the mascara from Bestiti, and so pretty to take out of your purse and do your makeup with it. I really like it, and sometimes I also like to lift it up afterwards. It also helps to make your lashes stay more curly, and it's lengthening too. Beautiful, love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.